one, I'm going to show you how to make your Halloween themed jars. So you're going to choose a design. Your design's going to come with a piece of transfer paper. So you'll put your design flat on the table. You're going to peel the backing off of the transfer paper, like so, and make sure the sticky side goes on your design. So you're going to carefully place it on your design so that it covers it completely, and you want to smooth it out. All right, so I'll show you what that looks like. So it'll look like that. And from here, you're going to peel the back off of the design so that the design stays on your transfer paper. All right, so now make sure that the sticky side is facing out from you. You're going to choose where you want it on your jar and carefully stick the design on there and smooth it out as you go. Like so, and press it down. And from there, you'll take the transfer paper off, carefully leaving the design on your jar. All right, and you're all set.